Viviana, and today Amazon need to put me on a timeout or offer me free shares. You know, anyone can work. So I was just browsing through Amazon looking for something. I never know what I needed as yet, but I knew I was looking for something. And there in the selected for you section were these headbands. These weird looking headbands I've never seen before. So I bought them, and today we're gonna try and figure out some hairstyles we can do on our kinky hair using these headbands. So from what I'm gathering from the few pictures on Amazon, these mini clips are meant to hold smaller sections of hair. So you're supposed to like put this in your hair and then like, you know, use smaller pieces of hair and I don't know, make your hair cute. What are clips for? No for making hair cute? Accessorize? And yes, you might notice that all of these styles are demonstrated on someone with straight hair. In case you don't see texture. So, to do our little experimentation, my hair is in a fresh wash and go. So fresh, it don't even completely dry yet. So, my aim for today is to come up with one style for each of these clips. Style number one. For our first style, let us try to use the 4-claw clip. The clip with the 4 claws first. So with the front of my hair, I've separated 2 sections. Right. Let's use a black clip. I hope you can see it. Okay. So that's holding well. Not bad, right? This front section. And we have like a V section here. Right behind it. So with the V section, I'm just going to separate. Let's separate one section. I think it would be a good idea to just twine it a little bit. And we're going to find the first clip, clip it in there. Do the same for the second clip. And the third clip. And with this front section, I'm going to do a flat twist and clip it into the last clip. And this is with a center part. If you prefer a side part, you could probably make a deep side part and actually do the same thing. That would work. For style number 2, let us use the 2 clips. The clip with the 2 claws. Right. For this one, let us section off a nice, neat section at the front. Alright, let's work on this front section and we're going to do 2 juicy twists. So I'm just gonna put this clip right behind my 2 twists. Center it in my head. This one is a black clip, so it might not be too easy to see. Does this look weird on top of my head? Kinda. And all we're gonna do is take one twist, cross it, clip it, and the second twist, cross it, clip it. How are we looking? I'm not sure how I feel about this one. Let's try something else. Pull it back, pull it back. And let's see the power of these clips now, because this is a nice thick piece of hair. So let's see if this clip can hold it down. Will it make it? Alright, and then with my twist, let's cross it. Cross, clip, and cross, clip. What do you think about this one? It's different. I know we started out with the idea of one hairstyle per clip. However, I have one more hairstyle I want to try with this 2-claw clip. One more. Let's pull out this twist. So we're going to add another twist, but instead of below it, we're going to add one beside it. Well, is this beside and this behind? Yeah, this will be beside it and this will be behind it. Okay, so we're going to add another twist behind this twist. And for this one, we're going to smooth down the front of our hair. Nice and smooth. We're going to add our clip close to the ear. Alright, and we have options here. We could just clip it in a straight line like this. Okay. Or we can crisscross again, crisscross, fancy, fancy. Ooh! Look, I hope this works. Wait, we can add this. We can add this one right in the middle. Look at us getting creative. Okay. And then we can crisscross and do another crisscross. So we still have the 3 mini claws and the bandeau. Let's save the bandeau for last and let's do the 3 mini claws. What can we do differently with this? I'm thinking something inspired by a pompadour. Then I'm also thinking that since this has 3 claws, maybe something inspired also by a plait. You know, since a plait has 3 sections. I don't know if it can work. We might have to scrap it. But let's try it. Since it's a smaller clip, not too much hair, just a nice little section at the front. We should all know a pompadour, right? So it's basically this little hump thing. So I basically want to do something this simple, but make it a little more sassy. Behind our little section, let's add our clip. Nice and easy like that. And then with our front section, let's separate it into 3 and make a very, very loose plait. It's very loose. Whew, why is that hurting my arm? And then now with my 3 sections, I'm going to match them up with each mini clip, mini claw. So this is the middle, the side, and the other side. Oh, my arms! So then all we do is just fan this out. Nice and easy. And now we have our pompadour. Ooh! What if... Let's make a nice little fun part at the front. So we do a little V thing. A little V. So just roll, roll. And let's put this center one. Let's match this center one to the center clip. Okay. The one at the side now. And then flip it on the opposite side. You see what I mean? We just added a little sass to this simple hairstyle. Style number or final clip. So this is a bandeau, so our options are kind of limited with this one. So let's try to get as creative as possible with this one. Now we're going to separate a nice thin row at the front. Alright, let's push the rest of the hair back. And let's add our bandeau. Okay, the only thing with the bandeau is that it's not really as secure as the other clips. Because there's nothing really to hold it down on my head. And my hair is trying to fight it up. So, I don't know. Let's take a section from the front, twirl it, and match it to a clip directly behind it. And I know I said I wasn't going to add any extra accessories with this hairstyle, but let's add some beads to these twists. And this one only took me 5 minutes. Like, this went better than I expected. I expected at least one of these clips to break. Ooh! I'm wondering how it would look if I pulled my hair back a bit. Ooh. And you know what I really like about these clips? You know, like how at the end of these cornrows or these tuck-on rolls, you would have to add the elastic at the end to secure it. With these clips, you don't have to do that. All you have to do is secure it in one of the claws and you're good to go. No elastic. If you're interested in buying any of these clips, please use the link in the description box. Help a girl out. Anyway, beauties, I really hope this video was as enjoyable for you as it was for me, and you give me a thumbs up if it was. And also being able to create some pretty decent styles. They were good, right? If you're new to this channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, not to worry, we have many other videos on this channel. If you can make it through 1 or 2 more of my videos, it kind of means you actually enjoy my content and it just makes sense you subscribe. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching.